forget about Ray. Let's go. You know me, still the same OG, but I've been low-key. Hating on by most these niggas with no cheese. No D's and no G's, no whiz and no skis. No boat, no snowmobiles and no skis. Mad amigos, I can finally afford to provide my family with groceries. Got a private studio and all for the tracks. To add to the wall for the plaques. Hanging up in the office and back of my house like trophies. Y'all think I'ma let my joke breeze? Hope please, you better bow down on both knees. Who think choke is smoke trees? Who think bro to the ODs? ECE, Ice Cube and DOC. It's Snoop the Dog G in the group that sent for the fuck the police. Gave you a tip full of dope beats to buck with straw in your hood. When your abu says wasn't due to go, who's a doctor told you to go to see? Y'all better listen up closely. All you niggas said the term pop or perm flop. You're the reason when in there getting no sleep. So fuck y'all, all y'all. If you don't like me, blow me. Y'all gotta keep fucking wild with me and turn me back to the old me. Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out with the move the lips. Cause somebody you wish motherfuckers act like forget about Ray. Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out with the move the lips. Cause somebody you wish motherfuckers act like forget about Ray. So what do you say to somebody you hate, or anyone trying to win globally way? Wanna solve things in a bloody way? They just study a tape of NWA. One day I was walking by with a Walkman on, when I caught the guy give me an aqua rock, so I sprang it up in the parking lot with a car can I don't give a fuck if it's dark or not. Out of my meat truck I park a Dodge when rock a spot right next to you when you just rock into car garage. Hopping out with two broken legs trying to walk it off. Fuck you too bitch, call the cops. I'ma kill you with loud ass motherfucking barking dogs. When the cops came through me and Dre next a burned down house. With a cat for the gas and hat for the matches. With the worm found out right here, so from here on out it's a chronic too. Start today, tomorrow's the new. I'm still local enough to choke you to death with shouts to do chicka slim shady. How did that sort of twin babies? And Mercedes bitch with the windows up and tip goes up to the mid-80s. Calling me ladies. Sorry doc, but I've been crazy. There's no way that you can save me. It's okay, go with him, Haley. Yeah. Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out with the move the lips. Cause somebody you wish motherfuckers act like forget about Ray. Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out with the move the lips. Just somebody you wish motherfuckers act like forget about Ray.